What's up guys, Rodrigo here, welcome back to one more video. Guys, Bitcoin, as you can see, is still there, but more important than this, you can see right here that since we broke the level of this support here to the downside, we didn't manage to close one candle above this level. It means that this level right here, which was a previous very good support for us, is now acting as a resistance. And of course guys, if we don't manage to break above this level of this resistance right here, the next step would be to come back to the level of this, at least to the level of this important support here, and maybe break it this time. On this video, I will also talk about Ethereum, Ripple, MATIC, and ADA Cardano, guys. So stick with me until the end. If you want to start making your own trades, you know already guys, my recommendation, the number one, Bybit, the number two, Bitflex. You can find the link to both of these platforms on the description of this video and also on the comment section. These are my favorite ones and the ones that I trade the most. So if you don't care about KYC, you can sign up to Bybit and claim up to $30,000 bonus. But if you care about KYC and you want to be anonymous, I would recommend you to use the second link on the description and sign up to Bitflex. Without further ado guys, let's come to the chart right here, and I want to start bringing to you the Bollinger Bands. And you can see here guys that the Bollinger Bands here are squeezing and it is very tight right now, and usually on the daily time frame, okay? And usually it precedes an explosive movement. If we check the history here guys, we can check some examples of this. So for example right here, you can see that the price was trading sideways right here while the BB, the Bollinger Bands, started squeezing until we finally broke to the upside, making 10% on the price. Another time that this happened was right here. Not much volatility, trading sideways, BB squeezing, and then finally boom, an explosive, even way bigger movement. Same thing here, explosion, and you can check it a lot of times. So we are now on the edge of having something similar on the Bitcoin price, guys. And we of course don't know where to. It can be to the upside, it can be to the downside. We just know that a big move is around the corner. Zooming in here guys a little bit and coming to the 1 hour chart, you can see right here that we are just being rejected by this level, as I said, this previous support here, which is now acting as a resistance. And we also need to pay attention to the level of this resistance right here. So it means that right now for the Bitcoin price, we have just above the price action, we have two different resistance, which make it stronger. But it also means that if we manage to break above these levels, we could see a relief rally here, at least in the shorter time frame. Ethereum here guys, as you can see, we have a similar descending resistance right here, like this. So we have a very similar situation with the Bitcoin. We are hanging by a thread here at this level of support, and we have this resistance here above us. So if we break to the downside here guys, which seems we are trying to right now, we are coming to test these levels of support down here guys. And if we manage to break above the level of this resistance, we might see some pumpy action here, at least to retest this resistance once more. And don't forget that the next important level of support for the Ethereum price after this one is going to be this one right here. As you can see, it has acted as a resistance sometimes here again, and also as a good important level of support. Plus the fact that this level right here is our lower low. And if we manage to break below the level of this lower low here guys, we could see the price getting attracted really fast to these levels right here of this support zone. Ripple. On the daily time frame guys, you can see here that after going 100% to the upside, we found some resistance right here. The price started correcting and we tried to break above the level of this candle once more, but we failed, forming so far a double top, and it is a double top with a higher high. while on the RSI we have a lower high, so we are having some bearish divergence here, and this could bring the price of Ripple, guys, to the downside. And of course, I told you a million times already, we can come here to the upside once more, making the third higher high, while on the RSI we make another lower high, and this would still be a bearish divergence, exactly as we are having on the daily time frame here for the Bitcoin. We had a high, made a higher high, and then a third higher high, while on the RSI 1, 2, 3 as well. And this means that we are running out of bullish momentum. MATIC, let's talk about MATIC as well. We are doing good for MATIC, guys, because we broke above the level of this important level of resistance right here, and we are right now retesting it as a support. We have actually retested once, it worked, and now it looks like we are coming to the second retest. And it would be very, very good, guys, for the MATIC price if we manage to stay above the level of this bull support here, guys. We could see then after this a next leg to the upside. ADA Cardano is very similar to MATIC, guys. We had this major level right here and we just broke to the upside. We have this major level right here and we just broke to the upside, came down, retested it as a support and was rejected by it, guys. And as I just said for MATIC here, guys, it would be very good for ADA Cardano as well if it manages to be above this support, if we don't break below once more. We had an explosive movement to the upside, guys, so yes, it would be okay for us to be trapped right here, down here at these levels for quite some time while we regain some bullish momentum, but the crucial thing is not to lose the level of the support. That's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, smash the like button. If you're not a subscriber, subscribe, hit the bell, and I see you in the next time. Stay focused.